just wanted to show real quick how to convert currencies on PayPal. So if you get any sort of different currency, it'll show up here under USD. All you gotta do is click right here on currencies. You go right over here. You're gonna click on close currency. It says convert first or transfer, but we're gonna convert it to US. 10 cents. Hit next. And hit convert. And it's as simple as that. And it'll ask if you want to close out the currency. Done. Now it's not there no more. And now you have your full amount, no asterisks, no other currencies. It's all there, and it'll show up in your activity log. I hope that was helpful. I know it was quick. Not much else to it. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks.